What is up, Pyros? Today we're here with another demo video. Today we got a Proline cake from 76 Proline. It is a 36 shot fan Timerain mine to Timerain hammer. 5 seconds duration. It says approximate height about 150 feet. 30 millimeter caliber size. This guy's said it's a fan cake, so make sure you got it facing the right direction. All goes up pretty quick. It's got your backup fuse there if you need it, or you want to connect another cake to have a couple going off at the same time. But yeah, 36 shots, all pretty quick. So let's take it out, see how she looks.